Good morning, students. Now we will start our new topic, national income at the current price and the constant price. This is the last topic of the national income chapter. Fine. So what is our topic is national income. We know about the national income, what is national income, how to calculate the national income with the value added method, income method and expenditure method. Now the next topic of national income is at the current price and the constant price. Current price, you all know the what is the current price. It means the whatever is the market price, it means the current price. First we will see about the current price of national income. So national income at the current price is the money value of goods. National income at the current price is the money value of goods and services produced in a year measured at the price of current year. It means that this is the money value of the production. Which type of production? Goods and services. When we are talking about the value added method, we are talking about only the finished outputs. It means the last output. We talking about the last output. How much produce, how to produce and what to produce. We are talking about that much only. But in this sense, in the national income at the current price, it means that this is the money value of the goods and services produced in a year measures a price of current year. That is important. That is the we are measured the money value of that products, goods and services, but that is that for the recent year or current year, current financial year. Fine. So other name of the current price of the national income at the current price is the nominal national income. If in the exam that is the given is the national income at the current price, so that means a nominal national income. But it is also known as the nominal national income, but it does not show the true condition of economic growth. When we are talking about the current price, so we are talking about the current year only, current financial year. Maybe this current financial year very good for our economy. So our economic condition, it is not necessary that every year our economic condition is like this. So maybe just the example 2021. So our financial condition is worst because of the coronavirus, COVID-19. So that is the not a true picture about this our country. अब हम भारत की बात करते हैं. So इंडिया में इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन वर्स्ट है. We are talking about measured by the current year only. So that is not a true picture of any country's economy. So it does not show the true condition of economic growth as any increase in national income. Income could be due to increase in price. Sometimes price fluctuation की वजह से भी income vary होता है. It means when we are talking about the current price or current year, we are talking about here current price and current year. So maybe this year situation may be the critical or worst. So our economic will be decrease, and maybe the next year or other year our when we are talking about the 2017 or 2019 or 2015 of maybe our condition, our economic condition is very good. So that year what is the current price, whatever is that year, and what is the current year. So 2015 was a current year at that time. So maybe that year economic condition is very good. So that is talking about the our nominal national income is very good. But that's why we are talking about only current price and current year. That's why it is a not a it does not show the real picture of our national income. Fine. So next topic is national income at constant price. What do you mean by the constant price? So national income at constant price is the money value of goods and services produced in a year. Same funda is there, is the money value of the goods and services produced in a year measured at the constant price, measured at the constant price, and it means that price that year is the base year. What is base year? You all know about the base year because we already studied at the in 11th standard index number, statistics on economics index number chapter is there. There was a base year is also there. Here base year, it means free from price fluctuation. It means no price more decrease and more increase. Fluctuation is there, but free from price fluctuation. No more decreases, no more increases in this year. That is the neutral year. No natural calamity is there, no COVID-19 is there, nothing is there. That is the that called the neutral year is there from any country. That is called the base year. It means if we are taking the 2020 in future, we are taking 2020 as a base year. That is wrong, because price fluctuation is there because of the economic affected to the affected from COVID-19. So that is the not a 2020 is a not a base year. What is the base year? Base year, it means the free from the price fluctuation. It means the neutral of the our economic or any economy. So it is known as the real nominal income. It is nominal national income, and this constant is also known as real national income. So constant is real national income and current is the nominal national income. It is name is perfectly clear. It is the real, it means the real situation. So it is shows the real situation of the economic or of the country or of the national income. And this is it current price, it means it does not reflect the exact picture of the national income. It is reflect the exact picture of the national income, because we are comparing our current year with the base year, and here we are talking about only the current year. Now, conversion of national income at current price, it means current to constant. We are conversion current price to constant price. Fine. So it can be done with the help of the price index. We all know about the price index. We all know about the price index. That is a one chapter in 11th standard statistic on economics. So that is the price index. It is based on the price index. When we want to conversion of national income at the current price to constant price, that is based on the price index. So what is the price index? Price index is an index number. Price index is the index number which show the change in price level between two different time interval. That is very important. Two different time interval. It means two different time interval. It means maybe we are talking about the 2015 and 2021 or 2019. We are not considered as the 2020 is the current year also. So 2015 and 2019, that is the between two different time interval. It means the about the 4 years interval. We are talking about the interval of the these 4 years. It means two different time interval. So what is the price index? Price index is an index number which show the change in price level between two different time intervals. Fine. So what is the formula of national income at constant price? Now we are discuss about the formula of the national income at constant price. So national income at constant price equal to national income at current price upon current price index into 100. You know about that, beta. Index number always calculate as the percentage weight. Calculate always as the percentage weight. So that is the into 100 it must be there. You all know about the index number. So national income at constant price, when we are find about the national income at constant price, it means conversion of national income at current price to constant price. So that is the formula, national income at current price upon current price index into 100. Now nominal and real GDP. Next topic is nominal and real GDP. GDP, you know all about the gross domestic product. So nominal and real GDP equal to, so what do you mean by the nominal? Already we had learned in this video only. Nominal GDP equal to GDP at current price. In this video only we had learned that what is the national income at current price. It is also known as nominal national income. So nominal GDP equal to GDP at current price. Now real GDP. Real GDP, it means GDP at constant price. Fine. Nominal GDP equal to GDP at current price and real GDP equal to GDP at constant price. Which real or nominal, which GDP is better than? So definitely this reflect the correct vision, and this does not reflect the current vision of the national income. So real GDP is better than the nominal GDP. Again, I am repeating this statement because maybe this question is around in 1 mark also. Real GDP is better than the nominal GDP because of real GDP reflect the correct vision or true situation of the national income, and nominal GDP, it does not show the true condition of the economic growth. Fine. So that is the difference between two. So real GDP is better than the nominal GDP because of some reasons are there. Real GDP can be affected only by the change in physical output, while the nominal GDP may be increased due to increase in level of price. Fine. प्राइस फ्लक्चुएशन से नॉमिनल फ्लक्चुएट हो सकता है, बट रियल नेवर रिफ्लेक्टेड टू द प्राइस फ्लक्चुएशन. Second reason is better measures to make the periodic comparison. Periodic comparison, it means we are comparing the different data of different year. That is called the time interval. Facilitates the international comparison. Sometimes that comparison may be the India versus another country. So that is the international comparison should be there.